Good afternoon. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. And I started harvesting some pages out of this HGTV Magazine, and then I thought, well, why don't I just film it? Because then you can see it. So I've gotten this. This is, I think her name is Julia from Sesame Street, so I cut that out. I cut this out because I want to have this picture right here of this, and I'll probably cut these out too. I think that's what I'll do with that one. There's a little tiny dogs here I can maybe cut out too. I thought this page would be great to cut out all these little things individually. This one kind of messed up when I tore it out, but I think that'll be good. Then, of course, you know, the wine bottles are always good to cut out. I thought that was neat. And even this, look at that. That's pretty. On this one, I wanted to cut out the individual lanterns. And we also have this, which I'm not sure. I could cut out this one, maybe, with the dog in it. And so now I'm just going to kind of flip through. And I think I'm going to cut out the kitty. Why not, right? Put it in my pets. Hopefully. There. And I also like this little picture here, so, but it's like cardstock, so I don't think I'm gonna actually take that one. Him I definitely want to take. He's cute. Reminds me of my grandson. He has a Superman outfit that he likes to wear, and one of my sons had like a little dress up area, and he had all kinds of, like, I would buy him Halloween costumes after Halloween when they were cheap, and so he had a bunch of dress up stuff too that he liked. Spider-Man, Superman. He was more of a Spider-Man kind of guy, I think, though. So I think I can cut out some of these things individually. Possibly this would be hard to cut out. I might just cut it out as a rectangle. Did I rip it up? No, I still got the ketchup. The mustard won't be so... Probably just going to cut the ketchup out of that one, I have a feeling. I think I'm going to need to actually start doing this so I don't mess up too much. Maybe that would work better. Yeah, that's definitely better. Oh, look at these guys. Definitely. We'll cut them out. And even these. I guess I cut up more than one page. The two hands with the pills, for sure. I don't think I'm going to cut her out, but maybe I'll cut out these squares of color. Here's some faces I could use for inchies, so I'll keep them. Maybe I'll save them for another day. How about her? Why not? Okay. Our Bed Bath & Beyond went out of business. When was this? This is pretty old. Oh, 2014, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to just keep flipping through and see if anything strikes my fancy. I do like all these colors, squares. I don't know if maybe I should do this. So, I don't know if you were watching the video where I was talking about seeing a bear. Well, you're not going to believe this because I'll get those. I was driving back, maybe this even. I was driving in that way again, and I saw the bear again standing in the exact same spot, in the exact same position, and it wasn't moving. I think I like this table here. And it was actually, we decided, you know, because we were zooming down the highway at 65 miles per hour before, we decided to stop and not get out of the car, but we stopped to get a better look, and lo and behold, it was a fake bear. It was a fake wooden bear. I was so disappointed. Maybe I'll cut this out. This is pretty. I don't really want this there, but I suppose I could, there's a lot of little things here. I could cover it with something, maybe. Maybe. So now I have to put that back on my bucket list. I really haven't seen a bear in the wild. That's so funny. And I have an update on the medication that I was going to take for cholesterol, and when one of the side effects could be deadly, I decided, since I'm just borderline and I don't actually have to have it, I'm not going to take it after I paid $30 for it. But I am going to definitely do the fiber. Look at all these neat houses. Maybe we could do a house page. Yeah, yes. So I got that already, and I'm doing that. And of course, I'm going to keep to a pretty much fat-free, oil-free vegan diet. And hopefully I'll survive. I will survive. Let's see. I'm not seeing too much else that's striking my fancy enough to cut out this time. But, you know, you go around several times to, you know, I'll just keep the magazine. And that chair is kind of nice. Look at how they flipped it. So was that lamp. I totally forgot what I was saying. I'll remember it when I edit this video. So, yeah, I'm not seeing too much else that I want to take out this time around. Except she's pretty cool. I think I will take her. She is big, but that's okay. And a few more pages and we'll be done. What have you been doing? Tomorrow, well, actually today I went to a rummage sale and I didn't find anything I liked. And tomorrow, ooh, that's pretty. We are going to go to a native plant sale, and I'm hoping I do find something I like there. I never really would have thought of having such a colorful kitchen, but they're pretty, aren't they? Oh, this would be great for a rainbow page. I may not cut them all out just yet, but I want to save the pages. In my glue books, I still don't have a specific glue book for each kind of glue book. I'm just doing all the different glue booking styles in one book. Like, I don't have a separate book for alphabet or a separate book for different colors or different themes yet. I might take that even. Oh, these are nice too, so I don't want to mess them up just by ripping it out. Oh, what do you have planned for the weekend? Anything exciting? Those are pretty. When we were driving to my granddaughter's birthday party, they were opening a new Subway and they had someone dressed like a sub sandwich, trying to get people to go in. Let's see. Oh, look. It is rather large. but I think I'm going to cut it out. And, well, maybe someday I'll use it. Who knows? And I'm babysitting my grandson in a little while so his dad can mow the lawn. So I've got a cat, a bird, dog, and fish. I can easily cut those out. Oops. Oh, look at all those. I just read in the newspaper that in the town where we used to live, over 100 animals were rescued from a farm, and they had found 12 animals dead, and a lot of animals had escaped into the wild. They lived near a state forest. I don't know who it was though. But yeah, that was kind of, I mean, why do people have that many animals if they don't really want to take care of them, you know? We'll cut the cat out even though it's big. These are kind of neat too, but maybe not this time. Ben & Jerry's. And I think that's it for this magazine for now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a quick little flip through of HGTV Magazine, July-August 2014. Please stay happy, healthy, and safe, and strong and courageous. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.